everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have a new Dollar Tree haul to share with you, and I hope that you will join me. On my trip to the Dollar Tree this week, I found these two yarns. These are Roving Yarn by Mainstay. It is, let's see, where is it? It is Mauve Splash. It's a cute color. You get 26 yards or 8.82 ounces per skein. I only found the two, so I picked them up. Those will come in handy very soon. And then I picked these. It's a permanent vinyl paper. I did not pick this up last week, so I went back after watching some Dollar Tree haulers. I realized that this is actually glittered. Hopefully you can pick it up. You see that sheen on there? So it is a matte glittered paper. So I picked up two. And then I picked up my coasters. So I saw this at my regular store last week. This is Life is a Journey, Enjoy Every Moment. And this is the absorbent stone. Let's see, I saved the label. Naturally absorbent coasters, it says. And the name of these are Sunshine or Life Journey. So this is the Life Journey one. And then at the new store, I picked this up. You Are My Sunshine. So be careful when they pack your bags. I think they were a little rough with mine, and it chipped on the edge. So I picked up one each. My trip to the Dollar Tree this week is just kind of looking for new items that I had not seen before. And picking up items that I, needed to restock. So I picked up a bag of vintage rubber bands, and I purchased this before. I like the rubber bands, and you get a variety of sizes in here. And let's see, what are the size? You get 2 ounces of rubber band. I also picked these up. This is lip gloss. It's and it comes with a mini pop fidget. It is by Color Mates. So this is the tropical fruit, and here's the little fidget, pop fidget. So I picked it up in the tropical fruit and in the watermelon. Look at that. This one comes with the pink one. I picked these up to add to my trick-or-treater bags. So it'll come in handy for one of my trick-or-treaters. I also picked up one of these beauty jars. It says 4 pieces, so you get 3 jars and you get a scooper. So I think each container is 0.68 fluid ounces, and you'll find this in either the bath section, where all the bath sponges are, or you can also find them in the beauty section. Sorry, I dropped my spatula. So this is the spatula that it comes in. This will come in handy if you have to mix media paste, and this will work really well too. You can just scoop it out. This has like a safety seal. Is that what it is? Let me see. Make sure I put it back on correctly. Yeah, the tab is up. So, lift it up. If you're busy doing your work, you just drop that on top and sit. You don't have to worry about screwing the lid on every time. So I only saw it in this color here. I don't know if there's other colors available. I would have preferred that they were white, but these will work for any project, right? So I picked up one bag. I also stopped by all the fabulous tropicals seasonal decor is at. I picked up the sign. This is the gnome driving with a flamingo in the back with the surfboard, and it says welcome. I like this one. It's really cute. You have pineapples and stars on the truck itself, and it is glitter, but I'm gonna go ahead and paint those over so that the glitter doesn't disappear on me. They're very cute. I might leave them together like this, or maybe separate them. Oh, I'm not sure yet, but I really like this green color. So I picked up one of these. While I was at the Dollar Tree, I picked this picture up. This is it's like a beigey color, and it ends with like a tan peachy tone. I really like the color. It's like earth colors, neutral colors. So this is called a decor. I picked this up because I plan to use this on one of my tier trays. I think it'll work really well, and it looks to be like a really good size for a tier tray. So I picked up one of those. I also picked up some candles. These are the LED emergency candles, and you get 50 hours each per candle with a total of 100 hours. And you do need 2 AAA batteries for these. I have a project in mind for these candles, is why I picked them up. And I did pick up 5 packages. Sorry, power just went out. We have a thunderstorm going on. Let me turn this off for a minute. I'll be back. So, did I time this right or what? It's having a major thunderstorm. So, oh look. It's time to test to make sure it works. So if power goes out again, I have light. Let me put that right there. Let me see if my light will turn back on. There we go. Let me put that right there so I'm ready. Okay, now, yes, I picked up 5 of these because I do have a project in mind. I won't use all 5 packages for my project, but I just wanted to have some on hand because you never know, right? And then I picked up some DIY Wind Chime. I picked up 2 of these. So in this kit you get, let me show you right quick. You get the map or the shape of the United States with the flag and home and front. You get the hanger piece. You get the dangling star. And you get the dangling tube. You get a paintbrush with some paint, white, red, and blue. You also get a bead. Now, there is no picture, there is no instructions, so I guess we just arrange it the way we want. So there's 3 holes here, so I imagine one goes here, and these would be the tube, to hang the tube there, right? And then the center would be the state, and then the bottom piece would be the star. So it would hang like that if you were making the wind chime, that is. But I'm mainly after the shape of the United States, and I'll just keep these and use them in a different project. They will definitely come in handy. So let me move that aside. I also picked up a bag of confetti. So this is the red, white, and silver. mix. It looks to have like a copper color, some some different colors in there, like fuchsia. Anyhow, so yeah, this is the patriotic confetti mix. So I picked up one, and you get 2 ounces of it, which is plenty enough for any project, right? The last 2 items I picked up are new to my store. Well, I had not seen these before, so I picked up 2 of these stickers, Crafters square stickers, and you get 12 pieces, and it's the animal transports. So you get the hot air balloons, and it does have like baby animals in there, like the lion, zebra, rhinoceros, a tiger. Oh, and you get a sheep, an elephant, monkeys, and a giraffe. How cute, right? Just adorable. I couldn't resist. I had to pick up 2. And then also I saw these. I have not seen this also. I'm wondering if there's more stickers that goes with this collection, because you know how when Dollar Tree gets their order, you get one kind of stickers in just one box. So I'm looking forward to see what other collection comes with this. And then so this one is I'm gonna call this the Mystic Boho collection, because you get all these crystals on here, gems, crystals, you get feathers, you get the dream catchers. So this is the front side here, and this is the back. So 70 stickers of absolute cuteness, right? I'm looking forward to using these in my planner. Really cute. And that is my Dollar Tree haul for this week. My trip to the Dollar Tree this week has been a bit of everything. You know, I have new items, I have repurchase items, just a really good selection Dollar Tree has right now. Oops, let's see. I am quite glad they still have like the shore living items. They're still putting some of that stuff out, so hopefully your store is doing the same. Yeah. And then they have all the new macrames. Hopefully your store is bringing out that merchandise also. And I'm wondering what else is coming out. Dollar Tree has been quite a surprise of late. So, and I hope they continue to surprise us. Oh, I did pick up some cute stuff this week. I'm quite happy with my hauls. I hope that I was able to show you a few items that you may want to pick up on your next trip to the Dollar Tree. They do have some cute items in stock right now, so take a look at your Dollar Tree. Thank you for stopping by to watch my Dollar Tree haul. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time. We're having quite a storm, so all the trees are waving. It is quite windy out here, and it is pouring. It's not a gentle storm we're having. It is quite loud. It's making it known that it is here. There we go. Alright, that's enough. I thought I'd share with you